Alright guys, it is Thursday, July 40th. I just woke up, if you can't tell. It is Thursday, July 30th, and it's just 7:45 in the morning. I just got up a few minutes ago. Actually got up like an hour ago. I was just in my bed on Instagram, but I'm up now. I am gonna make my bed, and then I think I might go for a walk actually before I have my coffee, just because it looks kind of nice outside, and this morning I just want like some fresh air. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm going to come back inside and make my to-do list and get all of my work done. So I just wanted to check in and tell you what I'll be doing today. So let's get into it. I just threw on biker shorts and a tank top for my walk. Also, yes, that is garbage. I'm throwing it out because I cleaned my room yesterday, so I have a lot of trash, but just biker shorts and a tank top for my walk. Also, make sure to drink water in the morning. I try to drink at least like half of this before I like do anything, because it's just good for your body. Like, having water is the first thing that your body like receives, so drink your water. So I just got back from my walk like 20 minutes ago, and then I kind of just sat down for a bit, but I made myself some iced coffee, and I also just put on these really comfortable pink pants. I was wearing them yesterday as well, but they're just like so comfortable and perfect for lounging, so I feel like a bit more put together. But yeah, I'm just gonna get started on my work. To work, I stopped by a London Drugs nearby and just picked up some Carmex because I was running out, and then I went to work, and I was kind of just in the back for most of the day, just like organizing and back stocking, just doing all of that. It was pretty fun. And then after work I headed over to Urban Outfitters just because I really wanted to get a new tote bag. And at first I was gonna get this black one with like butterflies and smiley faces on it. On my way out, or on my way to the cash register, I passed this one and I thought it was so cute. It just says increase the piece, and I thought that was really cute. So I just liked how like small or like medium sized it was, and I can also just like turn it over if I don't want that logo. So I ended up getting that instead. And then I also just got a sheet mask to wear tonight. And I just got off FaceTime with my boyfriend. I call him, or he calls me, like every night after the both of us get off work. I need to go check the mail because I got a email notification that me and Saba's BLM shirts finally came in the mail. We've been waiting for so long. We got them from Kyle Kuzma's collab with Childhood Dreams. So all the proceeds went towards the NAACP legal fund. It was just a great cause to get a BLM shirt, because obviously that's what we believe in, and we donated at the same time, so that's great. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. It feels really good. This is the front, and obviously the back is Black Lives Matter a million times over. Love that. This is actually really big. This is a men's medium. I don't know how Saba's men's large is gonna fit. But before work, me and Saba went to New West, and we kind of just took pictures, and that was really fun. I got some pictures of Saba, and then we got some pictures of me as well, and then we took some pictures of our shirts. So we've just really been enjoying the shirts, and it was so cute because this one little Asian lady kind of came up to us while we were walking, and she told us that she really liked our shirts, and it was just so sweet because, like, I don't know, we just weren't really expecting that. In fact, like earlier that day we were kind of like thinking of what we were gonna say to people if they didn't like that we were wearing the shirt or anything. So it was just really sweet to have seen that like someone kind of liked our shirt. After we took our regular outfit pictures, we had some breakfast, and then after that we stopped by Old Crow Coffee and we grabbed like 2 iced mochas for the both of us. And then I ended up getting this tote from there, and it was really cute. I know I just got that other tote, but I really like this one as well, and I just like that it's like just black and white. After that I kind of just headed to work, and so that was kind of my day, and I'm just really tired now. Yeah, I'm kind of just gonna like wash up and rest for the rest of the night.